Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so who are you?
I am Bobby Kirkwood, creator of Autoboy Gaming and also Primary 4 in Highland Primary School.
Primary 4 in Highland Primary School.
Hello everyone. Tonight it's the 4th of November.
Which is almost.
Wednesday, which is almost Bonfire night. Glasgow Green is setting up their fireworks tonight. There's a football match tomorrow night on the real Bonfire night. This is amazing. Fireworks. We thought the ones from over there were Glasgow Green, but those are them.
Wow.
You see that? It made a heart. Whoa, that is amazing. Whoa. We just got video bombed and I got jump scared by a firework.
So
anyway,
what year was it? So it was 16?
1605.
Which was?
95 years ago.
410 years ago.
410.
This is important. What did he try to blow up the Houses of Parliament with?
Gunpowder.
How much gunpowder?
36.
36.
36.
Barrels of gunpowder.
Barrels of gunpowder.
Okay.
But
where did he put them?
He put them in the cellar of the Houses of Parliament. But the king got the message from Guy Fawkes's friend's friend. And then the guards went down into the cellar. And then
and they caught them.
And they caught them and they.
Woo! And what happened to Guy Fawkes?
Guy Fawkes got executed.
He did.
And we used fireworks to represent the gunpowder exploding.
Gunpowder plot, correct.
The gunpowder plot. I just got jump scared.
Okay. You going home?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. And say bye-bye.
Bye.